Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay, if you do not know that already. And today I am actually picking up my visa. So it's funny because I literally just posted a video a few days ago. I'll put it up up here. Up here. I'll put it up here. About talking about the visa process and about how I made a mistake by applying so late because I literally leave for school in a few days. And then the next day, I get a email and a text message, um, showing, I mean, saying that my visa was ready. So we're going today to go pick up my visa. We only can pick it up between 3 and 4 in Washington, D.C. So that's what we're doing today. And so I'm gonna take you guys along with the ride, just to show everything that's been going on and the process, for anyone who does not know, and is willing to learn. So, my name is Jay. Join me along on my journey. I grew up in poverty and I never had much. And I was dealt a shitty hand at birth of cards. Um, but I learned to play the game and I'm here and I'm still here and I'm growing and I'm doing everything I ever dreamt of. So stay along for the ride. And now I'm gonna go get dressed. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so I've gone ahead, gotten dressed. I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm wearing right about now. And now we are about to head on our way to Washington, D.C. I'm going to film some videos a little bit. Of course, I'll show you guys my visa once received. And yeah, so I'm excited. And let's go ahead and do this. I'll meet you guys in the car. All right, guys, so we have made it to Washington, D.C. We're picking up my visa in just a few hours. I realized I left my Apple Watch at home. It's a necessity. Anyways, but we're here in Washington, D.C., looking around. It's not so great to me, but it probably is for some of you watching because I've lived in this area my whole life. But I figured we'd go around for a bit while we wait, take some montage videos, and just show you guys some of the things I guess I'll be leaving behind. So let's go. Okay, so I finally got the visa from the consulate. No, I couldn't film on the inside. Anyways, but I got it. It says visado de España. So it's official. I'll be leaving tomorrow morning. And I'll be bringing you guys along with me until once I arrive there at my dorm. So I'll see you guys in the morning.